Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope you people are good and enjoying the classes. So yesterday we have studied associativity of addition and multiplication. Okay ma, so today we are going to verify whether the integers are associative or not under division and under subtraction. Two operation is still left out, that is subtraction and division. Yesterday we have verified for addition and multiplication, and we observed that the whole this integers are verifying the associativity of addition and multiplication. Let's check out whether the whole this integers are associative or not under subtraction. First we are going to check out for subtraction, then inshallah we'll proceed with division also. Okay, if we will perform today two operations for associativity, then our this associative property will get completed. Inshallah in the next video we are going to study one more property, that is distributive property. Okay, associative property. Associative property of subtraction, for which numbers we are checking out? Exactly, that is important for integers. What are integers? Yes, set of positive numbers, set of positive negative numbers including 0. Okay, associative property, and the operation is subtraction. For integers we are verifying. Immediately after writing this we need to go for the general form. General form everybody knows how to write. Yes, the general form is a minus b of minus c equals to a minus b, a minus of b minus c. Now after writing this we need to choose our own numbers, own integers we need to take. So a equals to, suppose, minus 5, b 3, c equals to 8. Any numbers you can choose. So one negative I have taken, two positive. After that you need to proceed for the LHS part. You need to simplify. You need to check out what the result you are getting. So a minus b of minus c. The condition you have written. Now you need to substitute the values. What is the value of a? It's minus 5. Then minus, we need to write as it is, whatever it is given in the condition. Then after that you need to write the value of b, that is minus 3, minus 8. Okay, so minus 5 minus 3 both gives minus 8. Minus 8 minus 8 minus 16. This is the value of LHS part. Okay, LHS we have completed. Now we need to verify for the RHS. Right hand side condition, a minus of b minus c. Okay, this is the condition we have written. Then after that we have to substitute the values of ABC, whatever we have taken. A is minus 5, this minus of b is 8 minus c, sorry, b is 3 minus c value is 8. So minus 5 minus of, you need to subtract these two terms. So when you are observing here, 3 is positive and 8 is negative. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. We need to go for the subtraction. So 8 minus 3, it gives 5. But which 5 plus 5 minus 5? Yes, it is minus 5. Why? Because a bigger number has minus sign. So we need to write in the result also minus sign. So it gives minus 5. Minus 5, we need to write this minus 5 as it is. Now as you are observing here, two signs are there, bracket is there. We need to multiply the sign. Minus into minus, it gives plus. Minus 5 plus 5, it is giving 0. What is this 0? It is RHS. So we need to finally check out whether LHS and RHS are equal or not, and we observe that LHS and RHS, they both are not equal. Why they are not equal? LHS part you got it as 16 and RHS part we got it as 0. Based on that we said LHS does not equals to RHS. One more time, just listen it very carefully. Associative property of subtraction for integers we are checking out. After writing the general form is very easy. A, B, C, 3 terms are there. As the operation is subtraction, we need to write minus between these terms. Then after that you need to take your own integers. You can take any integer, okay, from the set of integers. I have taken this. By taking your own numbers you need to verify, that is important. So LHS part, A minus B of minus E, we have substituted, simplified here. Both are minus. When both the numbers are having same sign, we need to perform the addition. So 5 plus 3 it is giving 8. As both the number is having minus sign, we need to write minus in the result. It is already minus 8. When both are again minus, we need to perform addition. So 8 plus 8 16, but we need to write minus sign as both the number has minus sign. Then LHS we got it as minus 16. We have proceeded for the RHS part and we observe that RHS value we got it as 0. LHS and RHS both are not equal. When they are not equal, what we have to say? Exactly, we have to say that integers are not associative under subtraction. So you have to write, you need to conclude with integers are not associative under which operation we have verified? Under subtraction. Fine, ma? So with this we have completed this basic operation, that is subtraction, and one more operation is left out, that is division. Let's verify whether the whole numbers are associative or not under division also. Fine. You need to keep on trying by taking your own integers so that you will get the perfection. If you will not try, if you will not put it on paper, you will not get the perfection. Practice makes man perfect. Hopefully you have know about this. Practice makes man perfect. So you need to keep on practicing. Associative property of division for integers. Okay. General form we need to write. Division how we are going to write? Definitely A divided by B divided by C. We need to give the bracket to the first two terms. And here same, but we are changing the order of solving. That is, first we have to solve B and C. We need to take our own values. So let A is equals to 8, B minus 4, C equals to 2. Okay, these are the numbers I have taken. You can choose any number of your own from the set of integers. Then you need to verify. Okay, ma? So LHS part first we will take. What is LHS? So what is the here first we need to give the priority to the B and C. A divided by B of divided by C. So first we are going to solve the terms which are present within the bracket. 8 we are dividing by 4 and this we are dividing by 2. So 8 divided by 4, how much it is? Yes, exactly, 4 ones, 4 twos. So the result we are getting here is 2. 2 divided by 2. This 2 divided by can be written as 2 upon 2 and it get cancelled by 2 and gives 1. Okay. So LHS part we got it as 1. Now we are going to check out for RHS. What is the RHS condition? Yes, first we are giving the priority to the B and C. First we are going to solve that. We need to substitute the values. 8 minus 4, this minus 4 is getting divided by 2. Now 8 divided by this, we can write it as minus 4 by 2 also. Okay ma, 2 ones, 2 twos, so 8 upon 2 minus 2. Okay, so here again you can write this as like this form also. Okay, 8 by minus 2, 2 ones, 2 fours, so the result is here minus 2. What is this minus 2? This is RHS. This is here RHS, and we have observed LHS does not equals to RHS. Okay, is it clear the concept? So now we have done associative property. Associative property of which operation? Division. Associative property of division, for which numbers we are checking out? Integers. So first we need to write the general form. General form we have written, this is your general form. Now after that we have choose our own values, that are integers. After taking integers, we are having two parts LHS and RHS. First we have simplified LHS part and we got the result as 1. Then after that we move to RHS part. RHS part also we have simplified here, and after simplification we got the result as minus 2. So, and we observe that LHS and RHS both are not equal. So what do you have to say? Yes, we have to say that whole number integers are not associative. The most important thing we need to write, they are not associative. Okay ma'am? So integers are not associative under which operation? Under division. So we have observed here integers are not associative under division, under subtraction, but integers are associative under addition and under multiplication. Hopefully the concept is clear to you people. By taking your own numbers, keep on trying, keep on verifying. If you are having still any doubts, you can ask the question under comment section. Jazakallahu khair. Inshallah we'll meet in the next video.